Stop scrolling. What if I told you that there's a 2,000-year-old secret that can make you mentally unbreakable? Roman emperors, fearless warriors, and even billionaires have used this wisdom to survive the worst situations. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it to become the most powerful version of yourself. Your biggest problem? You let your emotions control you. But what if I told you, you could become so mentally strong that nothing, seriously nothing, could shake you? Today we're diving into the life-changing philosophy of Stoicism, where I'll show you how to develop an ironclad mindset that will make you completely unstoppable. And if you stay till the end, I'll give you a challenge that only 1% of people can complete. This video could change your life, so don't miss a single second. Stoicism is not about suppressing emotions. It's about controlling your emotions. It's about facing life's chaos with complete calm. The Roman Emperor Marcus Aurelius once said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Imagine this. You get fired from your job. Most people panic. You lose money in business. Most people break down. Someone insults you. Most people lose control. But a Stoic? They smile and say, "This is just another test." The 3 Stoic legends and their insane secrets to unbreakable resilience. 1. Marcus Aurelius, the emperor who mastered chaos. Imagine ruling the entire Roman Empire while it's falling apart. Wars, betrayals, plagues. Marcus faced it all and never flinched. His philosophy? If it's outside my control, it does not deserve my energy. Stoic lesson. Stop wasting time on things you can't control. 2. Epictetus, the slave who became a mental warrior. Born a slave, beaten, crippled. Yet he became a legend of wisdom. He realized that freedom isn't about where you are. It's about how you think. He said, "Suffering comes not from events, but from our judgment of them." Stoic lesson. Your mindset is your superpower. If you master it, nothing can break you. 3. Seneca, the billionaire philosopher who lost everything. He had wealth, fame, power, but in one night, the emperor turned against him. He lost everything, but remained completely calm. His belief? We suffer more in our imagination than in reality. Stoic lesson. Your fears are lies. Stop overthinking and take action. The 3 Stoic challenges that will change your life forever. The dichotomy of control. Challenge the rule that ends all stress. If you can't control it, ignore it. If someone cuts you off in traffic, smile. If you lose money, move on. If someone insults you, say nothing. A Stoic never reacts emotionally. They stay calm and focused. 2. The negative visualization challenge. How to become emotionally bulletproof. What if today was your last day? What if you lost your job tomorrow? What if your phone disappeared forever? Stoics visualize the worst-case scenario, so nothing surprised them. If you expect problems, you'll never panic. 3. The Memento Mori challenge, the most powerful Stoic mindset shift. Remember, you will die. Sounds dark? No. This is your superpower. Once you realize life is short, you stop wasting time. You stop complaining. You stop waiting. You start living with absolute purpose. What if today was your last day? How would you act differently? Final Stoic mindset shift. Lost your job? Good. New opportunity. Got rejected? Good. Time to level up. Life isn't fair. Good. That's reality. Stay strong. The world is chaos, but your mind doesn't have to be. This is your difficulty. Practice Stoicism for the following 7 days. Give up things that are beyond your control. Anticipate issues, and deal with them as a Stoic warrior would. Comment Stoic mindset below if you're in. To see more Stoic wisdom, like, share, and subscribe.